Hello, this is how you make a hipped roof in Tinkercad. First of all, what is a hipped roof? Well, this is a hipped roof here. So rather than a gable roof where the ends of the roof are vertical, on a hipped roof they slope in. And here's some examples just on Google showing different types of hipped roof. Usually they'll have an overhang, obviously, so the rain and snow can easily flow off. So yeah, we're just going to do a basic hipped roof today. Do something like this. So in Tinkercad, you start off with a normal roof. You can make it whatever size you want, but I'm going to go to 30 by 20 just because. And then I'm going to make this, what do you reckon? Let's make it 50. Now for the sloping ends, you can see in the one I've done before, the one I made earlier. That's quite a steep roof. I'm going to go on. You need a pyramid, so you get a pyramid. Make the width the same, which is 30, same as the base of here, and you just stretch it out till you've got the slope that you want. So probably about that looks all right to me. Now you basically need to cut that in half using a hole. So let's just get a hole. Make it so that it cuts out half of the shape. Gonna bring that in a little bit. Just that right in the middle, dead center. Yep. Group those two together. There you go. And then this bit you can align to the. I'm gonna put the work plane on the end of here. Push that in till it's 0, aligned with the work plane, and then we're gonna align it with the base. Click on the base, we don't want it to move, click center, and that's one side done. And then for the other side we're just going to copy that, so Control D for duplicate, M for mirror, and then we press the horizontal arrow and we can just move that copy across, and so that it's definitely going to go exactly on there. I'm going to put the work plane on the end, move it in till it's at 0, and group the two together. And there we have a hipped roof. And you can change the height of the hipped roof like that. If I wanted to put a building underneath that, you obviously just look at the dimensions. Well, it's got 79.99. Let's make it 80, and put a building underneath. So 30 wide by 80, and we can just align, we'll put the work plane on top, raise it up, move it across, and that's actually what it looks like. It's already in place. If you wanted to double check, select both, align. You can see it's lined up nicely. Very good. So that's a basic one. If you wanted the building inside the roof to have a bit of an overhang, either make the roof bigger or make the building smaller. I'm going to make the roof bigger by growing from the inside, so hold down Alt, hold down Shift, Alt Shift. It's gone from the center, so yep. And I think actually we will bring those ends in like that if you want a bit of an overhang. So there you go. That is how you make a hipped roof.